We are going to do a walkthrough of a Weinig Unimat 1000 star 5-head Moulder. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. If you are looking for a unicorn, this is it. This 2003 Weinig Unimat 1000 star has under 100 hours of use. That in itself makes it a unicorn, a needle in a haystack, if you will. When it arrived here, the bed plates still had a lot of the original protectant on them from when it was shipped. There is some staining on the beds due to this as well, and we chose not to buff them out. But this Unimat 1000 also has extra capacity, meaning 10 5/8 inch max width and 5-inch max height with 6 5/8 inch height on the left and right spindles. Digital readouts on spindle adjustments in combination with the Weinig memory system. The minimum feed speed is 15 feet per minute, while the max feed speed is 117 feet per minute. Also included is a sealed 6.6 gallon container of wax lit. The original owner never even went through the original 1.6 gallons that came with the machine. You will also get wrenches, heads, and a setup stand, along with manuals and all pictured accessories that are here with the machine as well. This machine has a bottom, right, left, top, bottom head sequence, with each head having its own motor. The bottom is 15 horsepower. The right and left are also 15 horsepower each. The top head is 25 horsepower, while the bottom last head is 20 horsepower.